Now you're looking at how to install MDfile component in Joomla. MDfile is a component for Joomla version 3 and developed by MDsoft company. This component is used for managing your document. With this MDfile component, you can create category to set up document type. Also, you can create a new document and upload any file to your document like .doc, .jpeg, .zip, and the other. Feature of MDfiles. You can also upload files to your document more than one file and upload many files at the same time. You can use image for your document. You can create category and use image for your category, and also you can create a lot of category. You can configuration user access right to allow user upload file. Record additional information static downloading and visitor. Keep detail on file upload like file size, date of file, date of edit file, IP upload, and the other. Now we already have how MDfile can do, so let me show you how to install MDfile. First step, logging into your Joomla administration. And you will see interface like this. Move your mouse over on Extension menu and click on Extension Manager. Go to Package File, choose File, upload and install. System will confirm you that successful. Like this, installing package was successful. Now the component should be displayed under the component with these data and the files, and you're gonna see some menu, category, document, files, and link. So now you already have MDfile component in your Joomla. We hope can help you managing your document. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.